Hi there, and welcome to Finals Week. You finished the course last week during week 15 by submitting your portfolio to the committee, and you should have received an email from me already letting you know that grades were computed and scores were entered into Moodle. So if you haven't checked that, please make sure that you do so that you're aware of your progress and success in the class. I just want to take a quick moment to thank everybody for the hard work that you put in this semester and for sticking with it through it to the end. It can be a challenge to do an online class, and there's a lot of writing involved in this class, and everybody made some good progress. Your portfolio scores are entered into Moodle. If you look at, I'm going to pull up a grade report, although it's going to look a little bit different here for me because I don't have any grades entered, but at least you get the report here to see what it looks like, and the rest of it looks familiar, but I wanted to point out where you're going to find your actual portfolio score. It's down here at the bottom of the report in the assessment portfolio section, and it says assessment portfolio score, and you're going to see a total number of points out of 25 because your portfolio is worth 25 points. When I'm doing this, I actually, assuming that you got an 8 or better score on your portfolio, you will receive a percentage of the points based on a grade category. So portfolios that get 11s or 12 get points within an A range. Portfolios that get 9 or 10 get points within a B range. And portfolios that score an 8, which is the minimum that you need to pass the portfolio and the most common portfolio score, really, receive points for a C+. Those points are entered here, and then you'll see in the comments section to the right, it will actually state your score for your portfolio. If you got a score of 8, 10, or 12, that means 2 people gave you the same score of 4, 5, or 6. Okay, so 2 scores are used to create your portfolio. So if you look at the portfolio scoring guide, a 4 score is what's needed to pass, and so 2 of those will get you an 8. And then, of course, 2 5s would get you a 10, and 2 6s would get you a 12. If you received a score of 9 or 11, it means that the scores were just off by 1 point. But that happens because it really sort of designates the fact that it's a little bit better than, the average 8 if you got a 9, and so 1 5 and 1 4, and that an 11 would be meaning that one person gave you a 6 and one gave you a 5. There's no point differences of 2 points. If that were the case, it would have gone to a third reader to make the decision on the score there. So your score is entered here, your points are here, and at the very bottom where it says course total, you will then have a percentage that will be your overall grade point for the semester with all the categories factored into it. And then in the comments on the right, I've entered your letter grade, and that's what I'll be submitting for the semester to your grading. And if you have questions, please let me know. I'm happy to answer them at any time. And I hope you have a fantastic semester or summer. We're already there. And good luck with the rest of your finals. I will be in my office from 3:30 to 5 on Tuesday of finals week. But if you have questions or concerns, please feel free to email me, and you can also set up a time to meet with me outside of those office hours if need be. Take care, have a great summer, and maybe I'll see you around campus in live and in action next fall. Bye now.